Welcome back guys to another minetest one block video where today I'm expanding my agriculture farm. Yes, my goal is to be all about the plants today because we need resources to do things in the future. If we want to expand the island and get to everything, then we're going to have to invest in the plants. So I've added some mods that allow us to make it a little easier. First off, whenever we crouch, it collects all the items in a 3x3 radius, which will make it a lot easier, as you see, for collecting items. Not only that, I added a way to repair the watering can. If we go over here to this item called the anvil, which was just made of iron, and then we can use the steel blacksmithing hammer, which is also just made of steel. We place our thing we want to fix on top of it, our watering can, and we just tap it. And wow, it's repaired. And now we can use this watering can to basically speed up the growth of these plants over here, so we don't have to wait a year. Look at that! Look how fast those things grew now. There is one problem with this process. Two problems. Step one, we don't have a very big farm. Step two, we need a way to store these without going over here or to these chests. So I want to basically I want to move the ME terminal over to there, but to do that we need to connect it using the ME cables. So you know what? I don't want these pipes to be seen. They're visually ugly. Yes, so I'm going to connect them at the bottom of the island, maybe. Now it should be easy to connect to these things without it being seen. The ME cables will just be beneath our base. There we go, we've connected the terminal, so now we can access it from here and we can just put all our resources in there. That would be a lot easier. Later on, I guess we'll make more terminals so we can place more terminals around here, but that will do. Let's go ahead and fix this up. Okay, there we go. I've collected a lot of dirt. And there we go. That's a lot of dirt. 80 dirt. Let's go ahead and finish off our farm over here. And I suppose I'm going to add an expansion today. Yes. I want to add an expansion over here because all I want for Christmas is myself. Wait a minute. That's not how that song goes. And there we go, we've expanded our farm. Now we just need to get the seeds to fill the farm. Yes. We're going to go ahead and craft 3 of these robots for the future. Yes. Okay, there we go. We did it. We made 3 itch robots. Yep, now's the confusing part. Programming them to actually do things. Now, even though it's not actually code language, it's block code language, it's still very confusing. So let's get into it. So first off, we want it to loop. Then we want it to loop for around a few seconds. Let's go ahead and grab a number. Let's name it. Let's make it loop for around 200 seconds. There we go. This creates a loop for 200 seconds. And then if we were to place, we need it to basically place. Okay, so we can have it place this down, and then after we have it place it down, we can now have it dig forward, right? Let's see if it works. There we go! We're having the robot do exactly what we were doing. What? So now we don't have to do any work. That is amazing. You confuse me. Okay, now we just wait for these robots to finish. Yep. Now, these guys have quite a lot of space, but I'm going to use the other robot for another purpose. So, I'm going to change out the cobblestone generator design so that we don't have to mine anything. Yes. So that this guy will be mining cobblestone in the background for us. So he is on a loop for an absurd amount of time. Let's have him dig forward and then... yeah, that's it. You know what? That works. We're gonna have an absurd amount of cobblestone later. Thank goodness we're not standing there. Oh, they finished! Oh. Oh, they didn't finish. Did they just run out of time? Yeah, they ran out of time. Let's go ahead and set this to 2000 value. Yeah, let's change this to 2002. There we go. Okay, so now that we got dirt and we're getting a lot of wheat seeds, we can now use a lot of these wheat seeds for the blank seeds, which we can use to make more seeds to get more things, which is kind of broken. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you would, please consider subscribing. Goodbye.